Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. This is a platform where we learn how to cut a pattern in different styles. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add elastic to dress waist. This is the dress pattern that I will be using to demonstrate to you on how to add elastic to the waist. You have to get your dress pattern ready. Don't forget the waistline is 17 inches and I've already marked the line for the waistline. You can see the line here as W. What we are going to do is to turn it round. This is it. So you can see the waist here. You can see the W. So that's the waistline. So that is where we are going to add the elastic. Now this is the mark for the waistline, 17 inches. You can see it here, W. So the line is already there. So what I will do is to mark a straight line for the waist. Mark it straight down. So I've used marker for it so that you can see it. So this is the W, this is the waistline where we are going to attach the elastic. Next thing is to place your elastic this way on it. Then you will take it to the sewing machine. If you want to sew it on the machine, you have to make sure that you pull the elastic as you are sewing it. So as you are pulling it, it will be making ruffles or gathers on it. Don't forget to sew the elastic as well to the back pattern. This is the front pattern. So you take it to the machine and pull it and sew it. Then you sew the two together. That is what we call elastic dress to make. So like I said earlier, if you have not watched my video on how to cut a dress, you can as well watch it. I will drop the link below. There are various dress patterns on my channel that you can watch that will enable you to cut a dress and also enable you to add elastic into your waist dress. So this is it. It is not hard. It is very simple to make. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I have a new video. I appreciate those that have already subscribed, the returning viewers and the new viewers. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.